Day 2 ng content creation challenge ko. And welcome sa aking katamaran hours. Bakit katamaran hours? Well, meron akong mga araw din na parang biglang bagsak yung energy levels ko. Meron talaga nun eh. And napifeel ko na parang everything is slowing down because of this. I feel guilty. I know you do too. Alam ko kayo din. But it's okay. Lalo ngayon, medyo bumabagyo dito sa atin. Sa Batangas ako, malakas ang ulan. Tapos, nagkikrave ako ng wonton soup. Yung may siomai. Tapos, chili garlic oil. Tapos, coke. Oh, siomai. Coke. Chowking baka naman. Anyway, going back to my point. It's okay. Yung feelings of guilt is normal. But at the end of the day, kailangan natin ng pahinga. Because if lagi tayo nagpo-push and strive hard every day without a rest, hindi makaka-recover yung brain natin, hindi makaka-recover yung katawan natin, and isang araw baka hindi na tayo makabangon para sa gusto nating pang gawin. Okay lang magpahinga ngayon as long as babawi tayo bukas. Ikaw ba? Pahinga ka rin ba today? Comment down below. Let me know how you feel about resting, especially when you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or working every day, without a rest. Maybe kailangan mo pa.